Okay guys, this is the unboxing of my Red5 Q4 Nano quadcopter that I mentioned the other day. It's actually made by Hubsan. Red5 just distribute it here in the UK. So that's it there, look. And it states it's the world's smallest 4-channel quadcopter. Self-stabilizing, highly maneuverable. It's got 3 speed modes: beginner, intermediate and advanced. It says it's tough and durable build quality. Well, I think we'll be testing that out. 2.4 gigahertz transmitter for long range. Long range. What, like, maybe, I don't know, 30 meters maybe. We'll be testing that out for sure. Fly multiple quads simultaneously in the same airspace. That'd be fun. A few of these flying around. 5 minutes of flight time, so that's quite long really, a bit longer than I anticipated. You can actually see the battery through the little grill at the top there. I'm guessing that's the front, the white props, but I might be wrong. There's a little charging port on the back. It says there we've got removable, it says now with removable rotor guard, so I don't usually use those anyway, but might be handy for indoor flying. So age 14 plus, Q4, that's the model. I'll put in the description or down below which Hubsan model it is, but I think it's the H111. There's a little bit there about the drone code here in the UK. It's got a link to the Civil Aviation Authority website about drones and things, telling you to fly safely, so that's good. I don't think you're going to do any harm with this thing, to be honest, but it's got to be there on the box. A little schematic of the drone there. There's some bump about distributor, etc, etc. Some more schematic there, bit of artwork. Patents pending. It's been out for quite a while, this model, so I don't know. And that was the price I paid, £20. So that was the price it used to be. Bit more schematic there, a little bit of attention. Always charge LiPo batteries in a non-flammable surface for safety. Yeah, we know all that. Keep the battery temperature lower than 40 degrees centigrade and away from direct sunlight. So it's worth noting that, because quite often I'll leave my drone in the car or something, and I'm guessing on a hot sunny day it can sort of get to that temperature quite quickly. Never leave the product unattended while charging. Yeah, we know that. Always disconnect the charge cable immediately after the charge is complete. This is not a toy, apparently. Not suitable for children under 14. Yeah, well, I'm guessing that, but it is a bit of a toy, really. Anyway, let's open the box and see what's inside. So it just seals, there's a seal on the bottom of the box there. I don't want to destroy the box, so it just lifts up like that. And there we go. So that's the little transmitter look. And I'm guessing a little box of accessories or something. Whoa, check out that. Yep. Very cheap. Very cheap. Very, very cheap. They've definitely skimped on the transmitter, guys. This is no hobby grade. No sky control here. Oh man, definitely toy grade, boys. No altitude hold. Oh brother, this is going to be a challenge to fly. But it's actually got longer sticks than the RC Logger i1 Extreme that I've got, so, which is very twitchy on the little controller you get with that. But this one, the stick travel seems a bit longer. So it's sprung that way, but not altitude hold wise. So you got your trims there, look, you got your on off button, that's it. Throttle control, pitch and your pitch control, forward, back, left and right. And that's your yaw control. So no shoulder buttons. So how do we... I'm guessing it flips. So they press in. So I'm guessing speed rates and flips via your sticks. So, oh, it's a screw back. Why do they do that? It drives me nuts. I think it's 2 AAAs. Well, it says 1 times A, whatever that means. Oh no, that's the postcode. What am I on about? Yeah, I thought that was a dodgy Chinese translation there, but that's me being thick. That's just the postcode of the product, the company that distributes it. So I'm guessing it's 2 or 3 AAAs maybe. So it's held down by them 2 little straps, which I'm going to cut in a minute. Oh, it's so cute. It's really, really cute. That's amazing. Really small, very detailed. So in the bottom of the box, we've got all the instructions. Plenty of bump in there. About charging it, etc. What the controller does. Safety check before flying. Oh, definitely important to do your safety checks, guys. You see me on my videos doing my pre-flight checks. Always worth doing them, especially on these little guys. Yeah, so that's good. It's quite a thick manual actually. Plenty of information in there. And the all-important copy of the drone code. And it looks like we've got spare props in there. We've got the charging cable. Looks about it to me. So, let's get this little guy out of its packaging and let's get him charged up. Let's take it for a flight, I think. So let's have a closer look at this little nano quadcopter. Right, so this is. Quick look at everything we've got. Drone code, transmitter, that's the box, that's the accessory pack. I'm looking for my rotor guards. There's the spare props. We've got the USB charging cable. It's quite a comprehensive manual, this, to be fair. I've just had a quick look through it. There's quite a lot of information in there. I was trying to find the size of the battery. I'll put that down I'll put it down at the bottom of the screen or in the description, the size of the battery and how long it takes to charge up. But I've took the little, unless the prop guards are in the bottom, maybe the prop guards are in the bottom there. It's really tiny. Oh wow. So there's your circuit board on the bottom. It's an exposed circuit board. There's your 4 little motors. Props just push on, I'm guessing. Little tiny frame. It's very, very light. The cover comes off and the battery's in there. And apparently it's replaceable, so that's a good thing. So I'm hoping... there it is. Prop guard's in the bottom there, look. Rotor guard. I'm not going to be using that, but there it is. So there's the unboxing of my new little Red5 Q4, which is the Hubsan H111, I think, Nano quadcopter. So hope you enjoyed that, guys. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. And hopefully next time, the next video I'll put up is a little flight video of this chap. So keep on watching. Take care, guys. Bye bye for now.